I had a change of careers about 2 years ago. I am a person with disability right now. It has not affected my ability to do what I do, which is a wonderful thing. But I made a decision when I was diagnosed with Parkinson's to spend more time trying to make a difference, trying to enlighten people. What I do now is I left the top job in a major corporation, the top law job, and I decided to spend more time being an inspirational speaker, talk on topics of violence prevention against women, talk on topics of disability awareness. And what I feel is though, being a part of now 2 protected classes, over 40, and having a person with a disability, I can relate more to the discrimination issue. I practiced law for 25 years, fighting discrimination at every turn, internally inside a corporation and externally.